Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Now with Halloween just around the corner, I wanted to do a little bit something different. This is probably the helmet I'm going to be wearing this Halloween. So today, we're not making a prop. We're bringing iconic 90s nostalgia to life. I'm talking about the ultimate full clan leader, the one and only Shredder. I'm going to show you how I took this intimidating helmet, menacing mask, and razor-sharp claws from a digital file to a physical masterpiece. And I did it all on my Bambu. We started with the Shredder helmet. Now this was a multi-part print. We had to cut the helmet in half because it was a little bit too big for the build plate of the carbon. Here, we're printing the top half of the helmet. I used Sunlu's white PLA Plus for this print. Next, we moved to the bottom half of the helmet. We used the exact same filament. Next, we moved to the mask. Here's the top of the helmet being printed. And finally, the hand claws. All in all, it took about 2 to 3 days in total to print all the pieces and have everything out. Once all the pieces were off the build plate, they were ready for the next big step. A lot of elbow grease and a whole lot of paint, so stay tuned. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. After gluing the two pieces of the helmet together, it should look something like this. The secret to a professional looking paint job is in the final color. It's actually the foundation. And for that, we're going to start off with a good old-fashioned gray primer. This step is definitely critical. Not only does it help the paint adhere to the plastic, but also gives a consistent base color to work with. On top of all that, the primer helps with the layer lines. It'll fill in a lot of layer lines depending on how many layers you add onto it. I usually add about 2 or 3 layers, stopping and sanding with about 400 grit in between each layer that I've applied. A great mask is useless if you can't wear it. My goal was to make the mask comfortable and secure. To do that, I added some elastic straps. I added the strap on both sides and used Velcro to attach a strap to the mask, like you see above.
Before the final reveal, just want to remind you guys to check out my website. If you're looking for a garage kit for something I've done in the past, if you're looking for a painting kit to paint something, or if you just want me to print or paint something custom for you, you can message me on my website. The website is nightwolfllc.com, and that's wolf with a U, not an L. Now let's see the final reveal.
And there you have it, the final Shredder helmet, mask, and claws. Ready to strike some fear into the hearts of any mutant heroes lurking in the sewers. I'm absolutely thrilled with how this project turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever taken on this project this big, or what your favorite TMNT character is. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more absolute builds, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a new video. Fits like a glove. About to go have me some turtle soup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.